Okay, I'm going to identify these hoses here before I take them off. So you have this top one, top tiny one. Let's see where it's going. It's going to the front here on the final drive. And we got the middle one goes to this one here, the hose clamp. And then the bottom tiny one is going to the bottom down here. We'll go to the inside, see where they go to. Bottom one on the final drive goes on to this one here where he took the hose off right there. The top one is this one here, and it goes to the front and the bottom. Goes to the bottom right there. It's this one. Okay, so we got those two. And then the pipe, the one with the clamp on it, goes to around here. So that one there goes to the bottom, to this divider box. Right there in the slush pile, that's where it is. Connects to this big one here. Goes to the back somewhere right here.